to severe Crohn's disease?
That's probably
I
bad.
was there.
Seriously? Seriously?
It's like, why doesn't it fall when I go that way?
We'll start with the fallopian lesions, then just go one by one. Brown, I need you to scrub out and brief the husband. Explain the endometriosis is way more severe than we thought.
Why do you run a court?
Because I think you're better at talking to anxious relatives. Is there a problem?
No.
Try the tissue. Why's she so on edge today?
No idea.
It's one of those days.
Let it go, Shane.
I can't see it.
Sit up.
I didn't mean one of those days. I just meant people wake up on the wrong side of the bed sometimes.
Dr. Brown explained exactly why she was on edge. Did you forget already, or were you just not listening to begin with?
Excuse me? We should cut back on the conversation and focus on the procedure.
I agree.
I want to see her.
I'm sorry. You can't go into the
I'll
OR.
just look through the window, please.
Trust me. Seeing your beautiful wife on the operating table is not going to make you less anxious. Everything is under control. The only thing that's changed is how long the surgery is going to take.
Look, I'm sorry. I don't mean to be a pain.
Okay. Just scared. I would be too. But she's getting the best care possible, and as soon as we're done, we'll bring you to her.
You're good at this.